Guys, we got us a 2008 Chrysler 300 HEMI. That's when Chryslers looked good. They were fat. They still are. I like the new Chryslers. I like the old Chryslers. You guys let me know which one you like more, the old ones or the new ones. Factory converter, as usual, there and there. Factory X-Pipe, there. Then we put two MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACKS, there and there. Part number 10415, link in the description. There they are. Look at that set. Then we did a rear muffler delete, there and there. Continued it all 2 1/4 into some blue flame 4-inch tips. She got them for Christmas, the whole exhaust system, his wife. So that we all need wives like that get us stuff like that for Christmas. Anyways, there they are. There'll be a link in the description for them also. There's a suitcase muffler that was in the middle. That's what they call it. It looks like a suitcase. There's the rear resonators there and there, and the factory tips. It looks so much better, and it will sound so much better now. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Give it gas. That's perfect. What do you think? A lot cleaner. That one was loud. Again? Yeah, that's perfect. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 102. MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACKS. Rear delete, 4-inch tips. Ah, it sounds so good. That's what I like about the Magna. It's just deep, you know. And see in idle, like if you're stuck in traffic or something, you don't hear it. It's quiet. Ah, that's perfect. Yeah. Chrysler 300C. What do you guys think of it? I think it's nice. It's perfect medium. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chrysler 300C HEMI. HEMI. Oh, look at that